Oh, damn. This sound like he ready to do something. Who are you with? He got carbon doors.
What do you got? Box body?
Yeah, box body.
Box body.
Let's see what's going on back here. Damn. Funkertown over here getting bits. Damn, Funkertown found another bit. Funkertown steady getting bits, y'all. Hit that share button, like button. Oh yeah, this thing sound way more meaner anyway. Then he got Tom Gunner driving. No, he finna cut a light. I don't know who this new dude is. VMAXX Motorsports. They look pretty serious. It look like they came to win. But I don't know if they gonna win in that Camaro. That thing better have something. They checking the tires, making sure they still hot. Right lane for the win, y'all. I told you, I already know Funkertown cleaning up. Look.
Boom, goddamn me.
Yeah.
Hey, what that other dude? Hey, man. What that other dude with my goddamn $20?
Well, I don't know.
Hey, man, get my $20. You say that, dog. Boom, goddamn me. Hey, boom.
Got it back.
Boom, goddamn me.
Yeah.
Look out. Boom, goddamn.
Damn.
Motherfucking ass. Man, hitting him in his ass on motor.
On the motor.
Boom, goddamn, hit his ass on motor. Knocked out the C28 off. He ain't got C28 written on that ragged motherfucker.
Damn.
He's knocked out.
Damn.
He knocked all the panels and shit off that ragged motherfucker. You don't see Chevrolet or no signals, nothing left on
I seen
that bitch.
VMAXX Motorsports.
All that shit knocked out.
Damn.
Yeah. It's just motorsport. It's just motorsport. Knocked all that shit.
Man, he done knocked all the shit off, yo. Let's fucking go right now.
Look out racing.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah.
Look out racing.
Already, man. I appreciate that, man.
Boom, goddamn, hey, look out. I can't lose unless it's fixed.
Fights on the beat.
Look out, y'all. We got this Nissan back up in the building one more time. KAMAKAZI. You know that car over on that other side be on Desert.
California.
Yeah, it be on Desert 1320 and it be winning races.
Yeah, he ain't running it. He finna get popped in his ass. He finna get all the Doug White knocked off this ragged motherfucker.
They gotta open the hood. Alrighty, guys. We got the STEFCO Performance Fox Body Mustang weighing in at 2,600 pounds, small block Ford, single stage of Nitrous, one carburetor, double radiator.
I
don't think so.
They wouldn't be waiting. I mean, they made it time. They must be rushed.
This is gonna be epic. A small block Ford. You going over here? All right. We're going over here with the Funkertown. Small block Ford. But last time, Steph and them took that Fairmont down there and they lost. Not to that car, but that car beat the car that he lost to.
They'll beat somebody if they don't make the trip.
Yeah.
But if they make the trip, they dead.
Okay.
step on them mostly make the trip.
Okay. Well,
You see, that's why step on looking at it now.
yeah, he making sure because he finna making sure that he finna make a full pass to get Funky Town his cash. I think it look like they tapping on the electric water pump. That's why I didn't want to work. It must have got vapor lockers. It's working now.
I know what's wrong with it. It ain't had no water in it.
It ain't have no water in it.
155.
They brought their own glue. STEFCO with the Fox Body Mustang in the left lane. Both of these cars are on Nitrous. We have the Nissan weighing in at 2,500 pounds with a small block Chevy, Holly Dominator assisted, Nitrous assisted, California assisted versus the Texas Step King. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one, guys. Look at the purge. Oh yeah, they're having purging wars. STEFCO with a whopper or two. Oh yeah, he did it one time. Funky Town, you said that. You said that.
Boom, goddamn, hey, look out. I can't lose unless it's fixed. I can't lose unless it's fixed.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell